Hello, and welcome to Collectiv. Today I will walk you through how to set up a simple web scrape using the web connector in PowerBI. For our example, we will be getting the historical price data for 3 stocks, Apple, Facebook, and Verizon from Yahoo Finance. First off, examine the patterns in the URL. There are 2 places where the ticker appears. We will use this to set up a web scrape. To start, make a web connection to a website by going to Get Data, then Web. For the purpose of this tutorial, basic would suffice. Once Power BI analyzes the website, a navigator interface will pop up and let you choose which table to import into Power BI. From here, you can load directly or transform the data to your liking. We will transform the data. From the Edit query, go to Advanced Editor and enter in the first line. Since we're using ticker as a parameter, we'll input ticker as text to create a table for the piping symbol. Notice how your URL is still static. We would need to pass the parameter in a URL as well. Use the ampersand to concatenate the strings as follows. Once you click Done, this table will turn into a function. We will then use it to create a column in our table. Go to Enter Data and create a table of tickers. Then go to Add Column, then invoke Custom Function. From here, choose the function we just created and the field to use as a parameter. Click the symbol on the top right to expand the columns. Then voila, your first web scrape function is complete. Thank you for listening, and come visit Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube for more Power BI tips.